Welcome! In this educational video, I teach you how to make trend images using AI, completely free. Step by step, easy to follow, you'll be creating stunning images. Before that, subscribe to learn who to use AI tools. Go to Google search, write Bing Image Creator. Click on Images, click on Create. Here, try your prompt. I give you the prompt I use in the description. Click on Create button. And wait, this is the result. Click in the image to preview. Now you can share or download image. We can create a video with these images. I'll leave you the link to this tutorial. Subscribe for more tutorials. Tell me what you want to create together. Thanks for watching.